I jinxed it. I talked about ubiquitous connectivity, and
Okay.
it's not quite
Can you
happening.
slide over a little bit this way, just here? Okay. And you'll talk to me, okay?
Okay.
So let's start by, for our video editors, spell your name, title, and company.
Okay, it's Vlad, VLAD. Surname is Sejnoha. I'm the CTO of Nuance Communications.
Vlad, is that right?
Vlad.
Vlad, what brings you to Austin for South by Southwest?
I'm here to give a talk on the future of intelligent systems later today. I'm also here to listen.
And can you tell us about the presentation?
I talk about the very rapid adoption of voice and natural language understanding interfaces in the rapidly proliferating mobile devices. We see new form factors every day. These are very sophisticated devices that allow us to access lots of rich content. They offer sophisticated functionality, but the user interfaces, the traditional user interfaces, are difficult to use. And we believe that voice and natural language understanding will really cut through this complexity and clutter and really empower us to take full advantage of this wonderful ecosystem.
Nuance is best known for their work in the mobile space. I would say text to voice to text, but you do a lot more. Can you maybe talk about some of the things that excite you most about what's going on in the industry, moving from mobile to all verticals and maintaining that relationship with your users as they move from the car to a device, perhaps their house, and how you're able to learn from those experiences?
So that's a good point. As users, we increasingly take advantage of multiple mobile devices every day, ranging from smartphones to interacting with our TVs, in-car systems, and more wearables. What we are working on is to abstract the virtual assistant, which allows you to control the functionality in a device, and have it travel with you really across these various endpoints, and sort of maintain continuity of experience. So tasks and information you requested on one, you could continue and complete another. You could ask for the score of a particular basketball game while driving home in your car, ask your TV to put that game on, and your virtual assistant, it's based in the cloud, would be able to connect the dots. We are also very active in the healthcare space, which maybe your viewers aren't as familiar with, where we are helping doctors convert the information they capture about a particular patient encounter, including diagnoses and observations, into usable information by, first of all, transcribing their dictation, but then also extracting the medical information, putting it into electronic health records, doing further processing, helping maximize the quality of care.
Well, particularly with healthcare, we talked about you're helping improve billing and actually could accelerate and automate the billing process, but also give guidance on best practices. Can you talk a bit more about the best practices and caregiving?
That's right. So by extracting the medically salient information from the communications, we are able to subject it to various tests, evaluate best practices, as you mentioned, and in real time come back and communicate to the doctor suggestions about possibly how to improve either the documentation or actually the care. Billing and assigning billing codes to the procedures that were administered is an incredibly important part of American healthcare, and it's a very costly and labor-intensive part. So automating that by being able to assign these codes simply by looking at the descriptions of what transpired would be a great boon to increasing the economics of the business.
What other vertical markets are you seeing some exciting trends?
Well, one of our traditional markets is customer care, and that is really benefiting from all of the improvements in this common technology platform that we're developing across our businesses. And it's bringing more of these advanced natural language understanding, virtual assistant type interactions to customer care situations.
So how does that distill that down to a bottom line benefit?
It means that customers are able to get information or resolve particular issues in a more effective, more flexible manner compared to the more rigid and limited, call them voice menus of the past.
Great. Thanks for your time. Enjoy South by Southwest.
Thank you very much.